Wow, grabe siya. What if dumating ako sa age na ganito? Masasabi ko ba na I lived my life to the fullest? Na I'm happy in my old age? Kasi noong bata ako, I enjoyed and I did what I have to do nung bata ako. Kayo rin ba? Naiisip nyo ito? Oh my gosh, grabe. In fairness kamukha ko yung lola ko. Kamukhang kamukha ko siya. Reminder ko sa'yo, I hope you're making decisions that will make you happy and that even if may regrets ka, you have to move on and try to be happy regardless. Para pagdating natin sa ganitong edad, happy pa rin tayo at pretty pa rin. Take care. Have a beautiful day.